Okay, hello everyone. Today I want to show how to use requirements Bazaar. In the project management, requirements management and collecting requirements is a challenge. So requirements Bazaar provide this facility to collect the requirements, to categorize the requirements, and also to collect feedback from the stakeholders and collect their votes. And also it provides a continuous communication between stakeholder and software developer. In this different case, we can use differently. For example, if we use Scrum, in that case, product owner is responsible to manage the requirements, and product owner can use requirements Bazaar. So how to use requirements Bazaar, how to create a project in the requirements Bazaar, how to categorize the requirements, how to collect requirements from the project stakeholder, and how to collect feedback and comments from them is the thing that today I want to work on them and to show how to use requirements Bazaar in this regards. So first of all, you need to have an account in the requirements Bazaar. In my case, I already have an account, so because I don't need to log in. But creating account, just you need to click on sign in. When you click on sign in, then you have to register a new account. The only thing that you need to register your email address. That's all. So registering your email address is all. Then you can type at for sure. It should be a complete, good password. So when you completed the registration, then log into the requirements Bazaar, and then you can create your project. So you can explore here. There is a lot of projects already exist. A lot of projects already exist here. That's public projects. You see that 208 projects, 744 categories, 2,634 requirements, and 2,090 comments. 4,144 votes are already in this application. So you can collect feedback and votes for your own project. So how to create a project? You need to open this. Now, if you want to create a new project, for sure you have to click on this, create a project. Then the name of your project, then write the description. So when you completed this, then save your project. For example, one of the project I have here, let me search one of the project that I have. For example, this is one of the projects I added here. No, this is not my project. Let me search my project. This is, for example, one of the projects I added here. So when you add your project, you should describe about your project, and then because those who want to add the requirements and add the comments, they need to know about your project. So then you should click on here and follow your project, because when you follow this, then if a stakeholder or others adding some new things to this, then you will receive a notification in your email, and then you can check that. So when you have your project, then you can create categories. Click on category. So now you can create categories. For example, here I have functional requirements as one category, non-functional requirements another category, online contraction project management. Okay, this is maybe someone added. So this is the categories I have here. A default category also exists here. I can delete them, but I don't need to delete them actually. I can comment on this because requirements Bazaar provide the continuous communication by voting, by adding comments, and by replying to the comments. So I can add comments on this and I can reply to this. For example, this is one of the requirements of non-functional requirements, new requirements. So this is actually not non-functional. I can add a comment here that this is not non-functional. This is not non-functional. So I can add my own comment on this. I can reply to that as well. I can reply to that as well. So this is one of the good point of requirements Bazaar that you can negotiate, you can discuss. So collaboration, I can add comment on this, or if I accept it, I can vote on this. So scalability is one of the non-functional requirements. I can vote on this. I can select and vote on this. So integrability is another non-functional requirements. Interoperability is another non-functional requirement, so I can vote on this. Okay, you can add many other requirements as well. You can add many other requirements as well. If you want to add new requirements, then you can click on this and add new requirements. If that requirements have needs more description, you can add description here, or you can upload if you have more description in some file. You can upload a file here as well. So this is how to use requirements Bazaar. So you can create your project. You can create a category of the requirements. You can add requirements to that category. Then you can collect feedback. You can collect votes of the votes of stakeholders to each requirements. Based of your votes, then you can prioritize the requirements as well. If you have any question,